privatization proposals that had been floated in the last 10 years didn't involve getting the whole 12.5%. It involved taking some portion of the employee's contribution and allowing you to make that your own.
Right.
Right now, you don't have an account. You would have an account.
And there were a number of reasons for that. One of them was the one that Jeff mentioned. You have to pay current beneficiaries out of current payroll taxes and the other earnings of the trust funds.
So you would have had to borrow.
You would have had to, exactly. And in fact, that was part of what, when former President Bush proposed private accounts, that was the one little part of his proposal that he didn't talk about much. It was going to cost $1 trillion in new taxes, because current workers were going to have to keep paying for current retirees while they were figuring out how to start setting this money aside. The other problem is, in fact, and your point, when you ask the question, you hit on the key issue. Comparably conservative investments don't actually earn you any more money. Yes, you can make more money in the stock market, and how much money you can make depends on what your risk tolerance is. If you're willing to take a flyer on very, very risky investments, you can make a lot of money or you can lose your shirt. If you want to have the same kind of a guarantee that you would have in the Social Security program, you basically have to put your money in Treasury bonds, because that's the only comparably safe investment. Therefore, you're not going to actually end up with any more money than you would in the Social Security program, and you lose the disability insurance part of the program, and you lose the survivor's benefit. So you end up worse off unless you happen to get lucky and you're investing at a time when it's a boom in the market and maybe you do better.